Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we are going to see how we can use IBM Bob in order to prepare a analysis report for RPG36 or older RPG code. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll use this demo program. Here you can see I have a very simple and very short demo program which we are using. So this program we will use, and just assume that there is a new developer who don't know anything about RPG36 or old code, but they want he want to prepare an analysis report using IBM Bob. And we all know that in the era of AI we can directly provide a prompt, and using that prompt it can perform the work, right? So for this scenario I'll show you both the things, like how to write the prompt, what would be the output when we are providing a proper master prompt to get the desired output. Okay, and demo program we already have. But before we proceed further with this session, I would like to recommend you to please go and check out the previously released sessions first, because they all are in proper sequence and sync. So if you follow it sequentially, then it would be much more easier for you to understand the ongoing topic, because for time being we are just mainly focusing on how to use IBM Bob to perform analysis report for a old RPG36 code. Okay, alright, and to make the things easier for you, I have already attached the Tech Sharmit digital course book in the description box. There I have provided 3600 plus videos so far, and these videos are available in both Hindi as well as English language, and it is completely free for all of you. So without any language barrier, you can easily consume the content. And if there is any question related to the content, then you can simply reach out to me through comment section. Okay. Alright, so I think we are good to start with the session. And now you can see this program we have, and let's assume we don't know anything about this code, and don't look at the syntax because I directly copy pasted it as a normal text file. That's why few things might have changed the position. So, but that's doesn't matter, because we are using IBM Bob and it will understand the things accordingly. So now what I'll do, I'll just simply paste one master prompt here, which I have already prepared. So I'll just paste it here, and now you can see we have a detailed prompt. So I'll walk you through this prompt. I'll explain you what all things you can mention here in case if you don't know anything about the program. So here I'm writing, you are a certified IBM RPG expert with 20 plus years of experience. Now I'm going to paste a RPG. So instead of paste, we can write I'm going to provide, because we will be sharing the file name, and then it will automatically find it, right? So I'm going to provide an RPG program named as RPG 36. Now remember, the source code should be on your local system, because it will look into your local repository. So it's there. And then, so I mentioned I'm going to provide an RPG program named as RPG 36. I do not know what type of RPG it is. I do not know what the code means. I do not know IBM or RPG at all. Please do everything automatically. Figure out what type of RPG it is yourself. Read and understand the code yourself. Explain everything in plain simple English. No technical jargon. Explain as is. I am a complete beginner. Okay, so then after this we will mention return your answer in this simple structure. And what structure we have provided? What type of program is this? Tell me the RPG version in one simple sentence. What does the program do? Explain the overall purpose in 2-3 simple sentences. No technical terms. Okay. Then what happens step by step? Explain each line like a story. Use plain English only. Example, first it sets the number to 1, then it multiplies the number by itself, then it prints the result. So we just provided a example here. So this is the format like in which we want the output, and then we mention what will I see on the screen or a report. Show me the exact output this program will produce. After that, fifth point, how would this be written today? show me the same program in modern RPG, because we are providing the code in RPG 36 or 38, right? So we all know that nowadays everyone is writing the more modernized code. So in that case, how we can write this? So just convert it into modernized code and provide me the exact output. Okay, show me the same program in modern RPG, then add comments so I understand each line. So here also we mentioned that you have to add the comments wherever it is needed. Now after that, we have provided few important rules for it. I know nothing about RPG, explain everything simply. Do not use word like spec, opcode, indicator or factor, because I want this time in a very simple terminology. Use words like step, line, field, value, result instead. Okay. If you use a technical word, explain it in the brackets. Okay. So let's say if there are some terms that we want to keep as it is as technical term, then in that case we can keep that inside a bracket. Read the code exactly. Do not guess, invent anything. So here we clearly mention that you are not supposed to invent or guess anything. You have to follow the strict RPG rule for that. Okay. So this prompt is sorted. In our Hindi version of this session, like I explained a very big master prompt, but there we provided all the required thing that that whatever we can provide as a RPG developer, so that chances of errors will be reduced. Okay, but here I just want to convert it into a very simple terminology, and I don't want to provide any extra information. So let's see how it works. I'll just simply press enter here. Within few seconds it will ask for the approval of file read. So you can see it is asking for approval. Either you can reject from here or you can approve. So I'll just approve it. After approval, it will take few seconds and then it will start writing the code. Okay, so it started writing the analysis report, and we have got the analysis report almost ready. And then I'll just walk you through the information that is provided by the code. So let's see what it returns. So firstly, what type of program is this? This is RPG 3, also called as RPG 400, which is older style of RPG programming from 1980s to 1990s. Okay, this is something that it provides. Here I want to tell you one thing, like doesn't matter which AI model you are using, there might be a chances with where it will provide you something wrong as information. It might give you the wrong direction, it might give you the wrong conversion as well. So always make sure that whatever is coming as an output, you have to review it thoroughly. Okay, because currently it is learning phase, so maybe, but chances are very less, but still you need to check each and every line properly. Okay, so second thing is, what does this program do? This program calculates square of numbers from 1 to 5. It takes each number, multiplies by itself to get the square, and prints both the number and its square. For example, 1 into 1 this, 2 into 2, 3 into 3, and likewise. So now you can see, if someone is not even aware of this program, they can directly read this line and it will give them an idea like what exactly this code is doing. Okay, and here you can see what happens step by step. Let me walk you through this like a story. Setting up storage spaces. The program creates 2 storage boxes to hold numbers. One box is called num, will hold numbers 1 to 5. Another box is called sqr, will hold the square results. Okay, so we have these 2 numbers, and starting point, the program puts the number 1 in the num box. Starting a loop, the program says I'm going to repeat the following steps 5 times, calculation, and then it explains the entire logic. After this, what will I see on the report? So header, line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so it is considering it as a printf file. So yeah, these are the things that we need to check. How would this be written today? So this is the complete full free format code to perform the same logic in free format. And what's different in here, like it uses normal like and for right instead. Okay, variables are declared clearly at the top with DCLS. So these are the all information, and in summary you can see this is a simple learning program that shows how to loop 5 times, do a calculation like squaring a number and print the result. It's like a mathematical table generator that creates a square table from 1 to 5. Okay, so this is the one way through which you can generate a analysis report for RPG36 code. I hope this session is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching TechShare Myth.